In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show only cards assigned to you in Trello. Start by going to Trello through your Atlassian account and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're in, open the board where you want to filter your tasks. This can be any board you use for personal work, team projects, content planning, or task management. The key is to be on the specific board where your cards are located, because the filter works inside that board view. As soon as the board loads, look toward the top area of the screen for the filter option. In Trello, this usually appears as a funnel icon. Click that filter icon to open the board filtering tools. This is where Trello lets you narrow down what you see so you can focus only on the cards that matter right now. After the filter panel opens, look for the option labeled Cards Assigned to Me. Click or check that option. The moment you do that, Trello updates the board view and hides cards that are not assigned to your account. What remains visible are only the cards where you've been added as a member. This is really useful if your board has lots of team activity and you only want to see your own workload without distractions. Now take a moment to look over the board. You should be seeing just the cards assigned to you across the different lists. The lists themselves usually remain visible, but the cards shown inside them will now be limited to your assigned items. That makes it much easier to scan what's waiting, what's in progress, and what still needs attention. If a card doesn't include you as an assigned member, it won't show while this filter is active. This view is especially helpful when you're starting your day, checking priorities, or trying to stay focused in a busy team board. Instead of manually scanning every list and every card, Trello does the sorting for you in just one click. There's also a faster way to do the same thing, and once you know it, it can save you time every day. With the board open, simply press the Q key on your keyboard. In Trello, Q acts as a quick shortcut for showing only cards assigned to you. As soon as you press it, the board switches into that filtered view, just like using the funnel icon and selecting the Assigned to You option manually. This keyboard shortcut is great if you use Trello often and want to move quickly. You don't need to open the filter menu every time. Just tap Q and your personal cards appear. It's a simple shortcut, but it makes a big difference when you're jumping in and out of boards throughout the day. If you want to go back to the normal full board view, press Q again. That removes the filter and shows all cards on the board once more. So the shortcut works like a toggle. One press turns on the Assigned to You filter, and another press turns it off. That means you can switch between your personal task view and the full team board instantly. At this point, you now know both ways to show only your assigned cards in Trello. You can either click the funnel icon and choose Cards Assigned to Me, or you can just press Q for the faster method. And when you're done, press Q again to clear the filter and return to the full board. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One small thing to keep in mind is that this only works for cards where